Question 1. Bill and Ben are identical twins. This means that they have inherited the same genes from their parents. We can see figure 1 there showing Bill and Ben, and we've got some features shown of Bill and Ben. So we've got some height, eye colour, the fact there's a scar, and body mass as well. Write each of the characteristics from figure 1 in the correct column of table 1. You can see table 1 here with control by their genes, caused by the environment, and controlled by their genes and the environment. Now, with this sort of question, it's a really good idea to have a real think about your answer and plan it before writing things in the table. So rather than just going straight into it, because that can then cause mistakes, you end up crossing stuff out, and it can cause difficulties. It's always better to plan things and think, right, what am I going to write here? So, first of all, we're looking for something that is controlled by their genes. So something that isn't affected by the environment. Now, that can't be height, it can't be the scar, because that's purely environmental. It can't be the body mass, because that's affected by the environment and the genes. So therefore, it must be eye colour. So Bill and Ben have brown eyes. That is only controlled by their genes. Now, going back to those things we just discussed, which one was caused by the environment? Well, the thing that is influenced only by the environment, it's not a genetic component at all, is Ben has a scar. Now, through a process of elimination, that gives us the other two characteristics are controlled by their genes and the environment. As in previous questions, what we need to make sure we do is check to see, is that process of elimination correct? Have we not made a mistake earlier? So don't just write those features in, double check to make sure, yes, they do match that. And yes, they do. Ben is 160 centimeters tall, so height, that is genes and environment, because there's a genetic component, but also there's environmental components. For example, diet can influence height, particularly diet of childhood. And Ben's body mass is 60 kilograms. Again, that has a genetic component, but obviously an environmental component to do with food you eat, exercise, etc. Therefore, those two characteristics go into the control by their genes and the environment section of the table. Those 4 correct points give us the 4 marks available for this question.